be about -13, 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So, pretty cold day. It's supposed to be down to -18 tonight. Decepticon is buried in snow right now. -13-ish, 13 and a half, 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, YouTube, we've had quite a bit of snow here up in Canada. You can see just the amounts of white stuff that's on the ground. I'm going to attempt to walk you around here and give you guys a look at how much snow is on it. You can kind of see the pipes through this snowbank. Yeah, quite a bit of snow has fallen in the Okanagan. -14 today. It was -19 yesterday, or 16 yesterday, 19 the day before. Pretty much everything in my backyard is buried in snow. Wow, almost fell already. 2 feet of American snow, and I don't know, about a half a meter of Canadian snow, all mixed together. Owen is buried. Demon is covered and hidden away, but got quite a bit of snow building up back there, and we got a good amount of snow happening, that's for sure. So much snow. So hey, I think this is a perfect time to do a cold start. Let's see if the old Highboy will fire up. We'll get her fired up and see how well it runs. Probably shake some of this snow off. I'm going to have a fun time just trying to get in. So we'll give it a shot. It should be fun. Alright, cold start. I haven't started in about 3 months. 3-4 months. It's -14 right now. Let's see what it does. Alright, cold start. Get this snow off. Okay, get in yet. Ooh, this is going to be a cold one. We are inside. We made it inside. And the snow is just everywhere. The other camera's over there. So, alright, fingers are cold. Everything is cold. Oh, we got a little bit of light. Should probably give it a bunch of pumping. Oh, it turns over. Taking a bit to get the gas up. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Oh, something happened. Come on. Almost. She backfired. Come on, come on. Almost. Oh, there we go. Come on, stay alive. I know you can do it. Nice. Oh, died. Cold start. And I mean, it's cold. Now to be fair, I gotta let it warm up some. And keep her running, because it's cold. Like the vacuum gauge isn't working. We got oil pressure, half tank gas. It's going to be a long while before it stays running on its own. Maybe. Looks like it's gonna stay running now. go. There she be, cold start done. But 35-inch Nito mud grapplers are still holding air. It's looking good underneath still. It's a happy truck for the most part. Old. Has its flaws. But he's worked, same as the rest of everything else. It started, so I'm happy with it. According to this temperature, minus 13 range. According to that temperature on the truck, so it's a little chilly. I think the solar panel batteries are probably down a bit right now. This truck is covered in snow. Pretty much snow is the order of the day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the cold content this time. Because yeah, up in Canada we have quite a bit of snow each year. Depending where you are actually. This being the Okanagan, there's not tons of snow, but there's enough. There's enough lately. So on that note, thanks for watching.